Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the control settings within the Destiny 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Destiny 2 game on your device, and after completing the basic tutorial intro missions, you will be able to access your game menu. Just tap on the escape button, and now you will see the open settings option. Go ahead and click on it, and now just tap on controller or the keyboard/mouse option in order to change your desired settings. You can change your look sensitivity from the mouse option, and the higher value that you set, the higher the sensitivity will be when you move around your mouse. You can also change your ADS sensitivity modifier while aiming down the scope. You can invert your vertical as well as horizontal axes, and you also have the option for smooth aiming that you can enable. Now underneath the common section, you can simply click on any option for which you want to redefine the keyboard layout. Just click on any option and then click on the button that you want to change into. And now this key will be redefined right away. You can go to the controller settings and follow the same process in order to redefine your controls. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Destiny 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.